Using a virtual Visa card is quite straightforward. Let me guide you through the process. Begin by accessing your Visa card in your mobile app. To use it, you'll need to add the virtual Visa card to either your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. To add it to your Apple Wallet, navigate to your device's settings and select Wallet Apple Pay. Choose Add Credit or Debit Card and opt for the manual option, as automatic addition is typically for physical cards. Enter the card details, including the card number, name, and CVV. Once added, the card will be available in your Apple Wallet. In some cases, there may be an option to add it directly to the wallet with a button. If not, follow the steps provided to manually add the card. After adding the card to your wallet, you can easily make contactless payments using your iPhone or Android device. By following these steps, you'll be able to use your virtual Visa card for convenient and secure payments,